Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure battery is at least 50% and plug into power. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once done, back up your important data to cloud or a computer because updates can reset settings. Now open Settings, then System, and tap System Update to check for Android 12 availability. You do this to fetch the official upgrade package. If you see a download option, tap Download. This starts the transfer, so the installer will be ready. You download the update over a reliable Wi-Fi to avoid carrier charges and ensure speed. Check the progress bar and download size so you know it's complete. Once the package finishes, your phone verifies integrity and requests install permission. Grant it, because this lets system components update. After you tap Install, the device will reboot and apply changes. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on storage and apps, so be patient while the system migrates data, and you finish by following on-screen setup prompts and reviewing new privacy options. This ensures you control permissions under Android 12. Once booted, make sure apps work and update them from Google Play. Compatibility fixes often arrive quickly, and app updates reduce crashes. If something goes wrong and the phone won't boot, try booting into safe mode to isolate an app, or use recovery mode to clear cache. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but only after restoring your backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.